Today you're going to use Autodesk Inventor to generate a logo or a brand of something that you like. So what you're going to do first is you'll go to Google Image Search, find a brand that you like or something that you want to do an image of. You come into it, you click on the image, you right click, and you will go into here and you go Save Image As. The important part here is it's either PNG or JPEG. If it comes up as WebP, that won't work for this task, so you'll have to find another image. So we're going to go for this one here that says PNG. Fantastic. And I could call it Honda if I like, because that's what we're doing. And I advise you to save it into your downloads because that'll make it easier to find later on. So go save. Cool, it's downloaded it. Brilliant. Now I'm going to go to Inventor, and what we're going to do here is we're going to File, New. You're going to go Standard Millimeter IPT. Just drag this out of the way. Create. Cool. So the first thing we want to do here is we want to create a sketch. So we'll go to the top left, Start 2D Sketch, pick any plane. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to Insert Image. And there we go, we're in Downloads already. Honda PNG. Open. Click here. So the only thing that's a little bit weird is you can see it's coming on the right angle. So if we go here, rotate it around, it's now good to go. One thing we want to check here first is make a dimension. Now you're going to be making a keyring out of yours, so I want you to make this here 50 millimeters. Weirdly enough, this is very close to 50 millimeters it is, but because I want my H here to be 50 millimeters, I'm actually going to make this 100 millimeters across. Cool. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to draw around the outside of the shape. And what we're going to do is we'll use a combination of the arc and the line tools to create this. So I'll just do the border of this shape. So we'll go here and go arc. There. You can see it's not perfect, but that won't matter. We should go around with probably a bunch of arcs on this shape. You might do one more, a couple more arcs. Okay, so we can see that with this arc shape here, there's something that's got a little bit of a jankiness to it. So we'll use our constrain tool to make it nice and smooth. So we'll go constrain. And that one's already got a nice smooth edge. That's brilliant. This one here is pretty janky. Just make sure all of our other ones are lined up first before we go too much to the super janky one. That one there's got a slight kink in it. Makes it smooth. Cool. And so now you can see it's actually pretty close, but now I should be able to drag that up to the shape and make it better. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'll bring that down. And we can see we can change the shapes of these curves here. Anyway, I won't play with too much more with that. But once you've done this, there's a video on how to make this into something that you can then laser cut on the laser cutter. And I'll tell you about that video in class.